when you were in Yugoslavia, I remember one time you told me that there was a little bit of almost like a mafia of people that were interested in stealing radios out of the planes.
Oh yeah, well that was on the island of Vis where they did that. The Yugoslavs would like to get the radios. They were good radios, and the bombers, they would steal them out of there at night. So they put up a big sign. They put some infantrymen in there from some outfit, and they put up a big sign in Yugoslav that anybody caught in there at night be shot.
No questions asked?